How to use the Minzer integration in Teamtailor? The integration of Minzer into the Teamtailor platform will allow you to automate the assessment of your candidates' values in a simple and efficient way. In the Jobs tab, you can find all your job profiles. Select the ideal profile you want to evaluate for your candidates by clicking on the name. Here you can see a table with an overview of the stages of the selection process. Select the stage in which you want to include the Minzer integration and click on the 3 points on the right. In the menu that has been displayed, click on the Triggers option. Here you will find the Minzer tab. A pop-up window will open. You will have to reselect the type of ideal value profile you want to evaluate. You can add general profiles or your own customized profiles too. Select the language of the report. If you wish to automate this last step, click on the corresponding button. Adjust the KPI percentage you consider. This will be the minimum percentage that your candidates must obtain in order to pass to the next phase of the selection process. You also have different options to customize your trigger. Once you are done with these steps, click on the Add Trigger button, and our assessments will be sent to the candidates who are in the stage of the selection process you have previously selected. If you have chosen to do so, those candidates who match or exceed the KPI you have chosen will move on to the next stage of the process, and you will be able to check this in the general table of your selection process. Here you will be able to see in each of the candidates' cards the percentage they have obtained in the assessment and each of their reports generated by Minzer. You will find all the information about the compatibility of the ideal profile for your company and the profile of your candidate. Are you ready to join the future? It's simple. Contact us if you want to know more about our value-based selection method.